This is an animal sanctuary. An animal sanctuary means that we're here to protect the wildlife. At least that's what it means to me. Yes, yes. Yes, I know they have permission. What I want to know is what clown gave it to them. He did. Yes, yes, I'm still here. All right. All right, I'll keep in touch.
What's that, Dad?
Read that.
They can't do this.
Somebody's made a mistake.
Hey. Somebody sure has. And that somebody doesn't usually listen to arguments about... I'm concerned about the lives you might destroy. I'm not talking about people, Mr. Morley. Why not, Mr. Morley? We do. Mr. Morley, unfortunately, I can't stop you running your rally through here, but I'd just like to warn you about one thing. The wildlife in this park is protected by law. So if any of your drivers kills or injures a single animal in this park, I'll hit him with the... I'll see to it personally. Well, all right, but get it off the helipad.
We should be stopping them now.
We should wreck their fancy cars for them.
That'd do a lot of good, wouldn't it, son? You breaking the law to stop someone else breaking it?
Oh, well...
Come on, Mark, we've got work to do.
You'd think you'd know better, wouldn't you, Skip? You won't last long, Mr. Koala, if you go walking around on the road. Now go up in the bush where you belong. Go on, off you go. Let go of him, Skip. What did you say? That sounds pretty strong language, Skip. Better not let Dad hear you talking like that. Come on, I'll race you back. Here, Mr.
You got trouble, Jerry?
Oh, no, not really.
I promised we'd pick up the doctor and Clancy. I told them 2 o'clock.
Be my pleasure. I'll be an hour or so here yet, though.
And it's my pleasure. I'll take the car. Skippy? What are you doing way out here on your own, Skip? Come on, Skip. You've earned a ride.
One man's under the car.
You hurt much? Seen you to flight. Come in, Jay. Seen you to flight. Come in, Jerry.
Flight to senior. What's up, Matt?
Off him.
Will do, Matt. What's your position?
Eastern boundary road.
Understand. Over and out. Come on, Mark. Mark, you go and get the grappling hook.
Sonny, give me a hand with him. Come on. We'll put him in the car. Sonny, let's skip out.
Come on, Skip. Out you get.
Jerry, down there. What's up? Hook's going around the tree.
I can just see the hook from here, Jerry.
Look out, Dad. Good on you, Skip.
Thanks.
Hey, Dad. Dad. Come over there.
You mean it?
Valuable to lose.
Come on.